Alright, Carsplainers, today we'll be going over the advanced driver assistance systems in the 2020 Lexus NX. We'll be showcasing the lane departure alert and lane keep assist systems and the adaptive cruise control. First, we'll see that the system is not on, and so the car kind of just lets you drift as we drifted left out of the lane. No warnings or anything like that. As we turn the system on, there's a pretty quick reminder that pops up in the dash, and we do have it set to active steering assist as well. Here we toggled over across that top navigation bar to get into the driver assist screen. The filled in white lines indicate the car can read the lane lines, but as the lane lines go dark, we see that the car does not recognize them, or the system is not active. Typically happens at low speeds. Now as we get on the highway, we'll start to look at what we can do with the cruise control system. And so if you toggle it on, again, a nice menu pops up on that dash screen saying that the radar cruise control is active, and now you are in radar cruise control mode, so it says the radar is ready. So the Lexus does allow you to use kind of standard cruise control, which doesn't utilize kind of the distance pacing or radar system. And this car is using the radar mode currently, and so it's trying to communicate that to the driver by that message saying radar ready, just to help the driver understand which of the two cruise control modes that the car is in. So just quickly turn cruise control off, just as we start to showcase the lane keep assist. So as we drift to the left here, you see that kind of blue line that popped up next to the white line. That kind of indicates that the system is active and trying to correct the car back into the lane. And then we did see, quickly that the car does tell you to put your hands back on the wheel, that it does need steering input from the driver. This is not a hands-off system by any means. Again, the filled in lane marker lines that we see, kind of that left one blinked off. Again, just the car helping communicate, whether it is tracking on those lane lines. So we'll turn the cruise control system back on. And now we've set a speed. We've set it at 58. And you can adjust the follow distance and gap using steering wheel buttons. And you can change the cruise control speed via the stalk. Tap up for acceleration, tap downward for decreasing speed. We don't recommend trying this at home, but we've evaluated a lot of vehicles with similar systems, just kind of as we hover, ready to take over, want to see how long can the vehicle kind of keep itself on its intended path within the lanes, and compare. The NX is only able to go about 10 seconds before alerting the driver, asking them to put their hands back on the wheel. That's fairly typical from what we see from a lot of vehicles, anywhere from 10 to 15 seconds on a straight stretch of road. The Highlander that we had tested just prior to the NX was able to go quite a long distance, again, on a very straight path. We're on kind of the same loop here. Again, the NX, only about a 10-second period. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope this was informative just to show you a little bit on how the Lexus NX advanced driver assistance systems work and the types of communication that the car gives back to the driver at various stages. So thanks again. See you next time.